Hello guys, it's your girl Vero the farm girl. If you're new here, karibu sana, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Today is the second day of harvesting this other side that I was not able to show you last time. I had planted Rosecoco beans, so I'm harvesting today. Don't expect expect too much. The same too. Niku skip. So let me show you how kunakaa ndio muelewe venye harvest itakuwa tu hata before nipeleke nyumbani. Nile tu moja, some lines hakuna hivyo. Those are the effects of heavy rain, but we are grateful for the little you can take home.
Searching for your trace in the dark, losing myself in the endless memories of the end right from the start. You're an obsession in my head, I can't forget your eyes. Your kisses burn my skin, I feel so empty inside. But I kept searching for your trace.